Have you ever found yourself wondering if the woman you're interested in is thinking about you just as much as you're thinking about her? It's a question that can linger in your mind, especially when you're trying to figure out whether the feelings you have for her are mutual. You want to know if she feels the same spark, the same attraction, and the same emotional connection. But how do you know for sure? Well, the good news is that there are a few key signs that can help you get a glimpse into her thoughts. These signs aren't just vague signals. They are often rooted in human psychology and behavior, and when you pay attention to them, you might just get the answers you've been looking for. In this video, we're going to explore 5 signs that a woman is thinking about you. And no, it's not just about the occasional smile or simple glance. These signs go deeper, and they reveal a lot more than you might expect about her feelings and intentions. Whether you're trying to build a relationship with someone new or simply wondering if your crush has you on her mind, these signs can give you valuable insight into her thoughts and emotions. So, let's dive into these signs and uncover the hidden clues that tell you if a woman is genuinely thinking about you. Trust me, these signs can be game changers, and once you understand them, you'll be able to navigate the world of attraction and relationships with much more confidence. Number 1, she messages you out of nowhere. Have you ever received a message from someone completely out of the blue? Maybe just a simple greeting, or perhaps a question, or maybe even something more personal. If so, this could be one of the most straightforward signs that she's thinking about you. But what exactly does it mean? When a woman reaches out to you without any obvious reason, it's not just a coincidence. It's a clear indication that she has been thinking about you and wants to connect, even if it's just to say hello or ask how your day is going. She could be reminiscing about a conversation you had, or maybe she saw something that reminded her of you and wanted to share it. Whatever the reason, that spontaneous message shows that you're on her mind. It's also important to note that these messages could vary in tone, and depending on the context, they can carry a lot of emotional weight. Maybe she's expressing affection towards you, or maybe she's simply trying to get closer by showing that she values the connection between you two. It could be as simple as her asking if you're free later to hang out, or something more flirtatious, like sending a cute emoji that makes your heart skip a beat. One thing is for sure. If she's reaching out to you, unprompted, it's a signal that you are important to her. So don't take this lightly. If you feel the same way about her, reciprocating her message with a thoughtful reply can strengthen the connection and open the door for even deeper conversations. But what if you don't know how to respond? Well, the best thing to do is to be genuine. Share your thoughts or ask her about her day. Be mindful of how you communicate and show her that you appreciate her reaching out to you. The key here is to reciprocate her attention with kindness, warmth, and interest. Number 2, you've caught her glancing at you multiple times. It's happened to all of us. You catch her glancing at you when she thinks you're not looking. And when you lock eyes, there's a moment of connection, maybe even a brief smile. Now, you might chalk it up to coincidence, but if this happens more than once, there's a deeper reason behind it. This could be one of the most obvious signs that she's thinking about you, and more than that, she's intrigued by you. Why do people glance at someone they like or are in love with? The answer is simple. They find them fascinating and attractive. When a woman is drawn to someone, she can't help but sneak glances at them. She wants to memorize every little detail, from the way you move to the sound of your voice, to how you laugh or how your eyes light up when you speak. But here's where it gets interesting. Sometimes those glances are more than just admiration. If she's really into you, she could be gauging your reactions to see if you notice her watching you. Maybe she's waiting for you to make the first move, or at the very least, show some sign that you're interested too. If you smile back or return her gaze, that's all the encouragement she may need to take things further. Another reason she might be glancing at you is that she's simply in awe of you. She might think you're charming, funny, or just genuinely captivating. Those stolen moments of eye contact are her way of silently telling you she's thinking about you, and it's up to you to pick up on it and take action if you're interested. So, next time you catch her eye, don't just look away. Acknowledge it, smile, and let her know that you're aware of her attention. This simple exchange can create a deeper emotional connection between the two of you. Number 3, she remembers small details about you. Do you ever feel like someone really listens to you when you talk, like they're truly paying attention to what you're saying? When a woman remembers small details about you, such as your favorite food, your plans for the weekend, or even a conversation you had weeks ago, it's a powerful indicator that you're on her mind more than you realize. The fact that she remembers these little things shows that she is genuinely invested in getting to know you. It's not just about memorizing facts. It's about cherishing those moments and connecting on a deeper emotional level. When someone is truly interested in you, they pay attention to the things that matter to you. For example, maybe you mentioned in passing that you love a specific type of coffee, or that you enjoy hiking on the weekends. If she surprises you with a cup of that coffee or asks if you want to join her for a hike, it's a clear sign she is thinking about you and wants to make your life a little bit better. These small gestures show her affection and effort to show you that she cares. Why does she do this? It's because she wants to make you feel special and appreciated. These details give her a way to show that she's not just thinking about you in a superficial way, but truly cares about the things that matter to you. If she recalls your past conversations and acts on those memories, it means she's invested in your connection. Here's the thing. Remembering small details isn't something that just happens by accident. It's an intentional act. It's her way of showing you that she's truly listening and wants to build something meaningful with you. If you notice that she's bringing up things you've mentioned in passing or surprising you with thoughtful gestures, it's time to recognize the level of care and attention she's giving to you. So, when you notice her remembering the little things, don't just brush it off as trivial. Appreciate it for what it is, a sign that she's thinking about you and values the relationship you share. Respond to her gestures with gratitude and perhaps surprise her with something thoughtful in return. Number 4, she approaches you for no reason. Have you ever had a woman approach you for no apparent reason? Maybe she just walks up to you in the middle of a gathering, starts a random conversation, or wants to spend some time with you without any obvious motive. While this might seem like a casual gesture, it's actually a very telling sign that she's thinking about you and might have romantic feelings toward you. Think about it for a second. When someone is in love, or at least really likes you, they seek opportunities to spend time with you. She might approach you because she's feeling a connection and wants to get closer to you. But here's the catch. She might not always know how to express this desire in a more direct way. So she might approach you in a way that feels casual and spontaneous, but deep down, it's her way of trying to spend time with you, get to know you better, or simply enjoy your presence. Whether it's joining you for a quick coffee, asking for your help with something, or simply starting a random conversation. These actions could be her subtle way of letting you know she's thinking about you. She might not want to seem too obvious or overwhelming, so she takes the casual approach to gauge how you respond. But don't mistake her casualness for disinterest. On the contrary, if she's going out of her way to approach you for no reason, it's because you matter to her. She's trying to create a bond and let you know that she enjoys your company. Don't be afraid to reciprocate. Take the opportunity to engage with her, ask questions, and show genuine interest in her life. The more you connect during these spontaneous moments, the more likely you are to build a deeper connection with her. Number 5, she goes out of her way to do things for you. One of the most beautiful aspects of love is the willingness to go above and beyond for someone you care about. When a woman is in love with you, she will go out of her way to do things that make your life easier, more enjoyable, or simply better in some way. This isn't about grand gestures or flashy acts. It's the little things that show she is thinking about you even when you're not around. Think about it. Maybe she notices that you've been stressed out at work, so she surprises you with a home-cooked meal to help take the pressure off. Or maybe she helps you with a task you've been procrastinating on, just because she wants to make your day a little easier. These are the kinds of actions that speak volumes about her feelings for you. She's showing you through her actions that you are important to her, and she's thinking about ways to show you that she cares. It's not about her expecting anything in return. She does it because she genuinely enjoys making you happy. Perhaps she's gone out of her way to organize a surprise for you, like planning a fun date or giving you something thoughtful, just because she knows it would bring a smile to your face. These acts of kindness are a direct reflection of how much she's invested in your relationship. She wants to show you that you're on her mind and that she's willing to make an effort to keep you happy. And the best part is, these little things can go a long way in strengthening your bond. So, if you notice that she's going out of her way for you, whether it's something small or something bigger, it's a clear sign that she's thinking about you constantly. And this is a perfect opportunity to show appreciation for everything she does. When you notice her efforts, acknowledge them, thank her, and reciprocate those gestures. Love is about giving and receiving, and the more you nurture these acts of kindness, the stronger your connection will be. Bonus sign. 1. She finds excuses to be near you. You know those moments when you're casually doing something, and all of a sudden, she shows up right next to you, seemingly out of nowhere? It might seem like coincidence at first, but if this happens frequently, it could be a sign that she's thinking about you more than you realize. Think about it. If she's always finding reasons to be in the same room as you, or conveniently, running into you when she doesn't really need to, it's a clear indicator that she enjoys your presence. This could be as simple as sitting near you during meetings, coming to the same cafe you're in, or even just showing up in places where you tend to hang out. Why does she do this? Because she likes you, and she's subconsciously trying to stay close to you. Sometimes it's not about words or overt gestures. Sometimes it's the little things that tell you the most. She might be hoping to spark a conversation, or just get the chance to spend more time with you, even if it's in a low-pressure setting. So next time she accidentally shows up where you are, pay attention. It's her way of expressing her interest and making sure she stays in your orbit. If you're noticing this, take it as a sign that she's actively thinking about you and would love to build a deeper connection. Bonus. Sign 2. She asks you personal questions. When a woman is thinking about you, especially in a romantic context, she'll want to get to know the real you, not just your likes and dislikes, but your values, your past, your dreams, and even your fears. If she's asking you personal questions, this is a huge sign that she's not just interested in you on a surface level, but is genuinely invested in learning who you are as a person. Why does she ask these questions? It's because she's trying to connect with you on a deeper level. She wants to understand what makes you tick, what excites you, and what challenges you've faced. This allows her to form a better emotional bond with you, and ultimately, it's her way of showing that she values you not just as a person, but as a potential partner. These questions might range from your childhood experiences to your views on relationships, life goals, or even how you handle difficult situations. It's not about being nosy. It's about creating intimacy and showing you that she cares about the little details that make up who you are. So, if she's asking you thoughtful, personal questions, don't brush them off. Answer honestly, and use it as an opportunity to deepen your connection. So, there you have it. 5 clear signs that a woman is thinking about you. Whether it's through an unexpected message, stolen glances, remembering small details, approaching you out of nowhere, or going out of her way to do things for you, these are all powerful indicators that she's emotionally invested and has you on her mind. Now that you know the signs, take the time to appreciate them. If you're interested in her, don't hesitate to reciprocate and take things to the next level. Relationship building is all about mutual understanding and effort, so be sure to nurture the connection and see where it leads. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content on relationships, attraction, and everything in between. Let me know in the comments. Have you ever experienced any of these signs? How did you respond? I'd love to hear your thoughts.